Hello and welcome to this video where I walk through some examples explaining the difference between greatest common factors and least common multiples. I'm borrowing this activity from GeoGebra that does sort of a decent job of explaining these two. I say decent because I think too many words here, but I like to look at the numbers, and what they've done is they've already gone to the prime factorization for us. So we can see what 12 is as its prime factorization, we can see what 16 is, and we can see what 24 is. Now, if we want to find the GCF, which we'll show in a minute here, it's hidden under this purple text box. What we have to do is look at the common factors, or we have to look at the factors and circle the ones that are common. And so it's great that the prime factorization is already kind of written out like this. So we see that it shares, each one of them shares a 2. So we can take from this, the GCF so far, is that it is going to have 1, 2. And then we can circle yet another round of 2's. And then we're going to multiply that second 2. At this point in time, we have to stop because here there's a 3 in 12 and 24, but not in 16. There's an additional 2 in 16 and 24, but not in 12. And so those are not common to one another or among the numbers here. So as far as we can go for the GCF, is 2 times 2, which is 4. And excuse me, we take a look at it, it is 4. Now, for least common multiple, what we're going to do is start off with our GCF. So the LCM is the GCF times, GCF, so here, right. I'll do it over here. LCM is the GCF times everything else that's left over. Now, there's a catch, and I'll show it to you in a second here. So we've established that our GCF is 4. So we'll put that there, times, and now we have to do is anything that's left over. But the thing is, it still works in groupings. So for example, there is, this will come out as A2, and those two 3's come out as A3, and then this 2 is all by itself. It can buddy up with anything, but that's fine, and it will come out as an additional 2. And so let's move these numbers around. I'm seeing 4 times 4 times 3. That is 16 times 3, which is 48. So now, if we look at it, our LCM should be 48. And there it is. And so that's how we take that's how we end up taking the prime factorization and utilizing it to find both, well, the greatest common factor and the least common multiple. Hope this video was good for you, and if you have any questions, please let me know.